How to become a front-end engineer. Learn the web basics. First, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. CSS is design. JavaScript is a behavior. That's it. No frameworks yet. Build while you learn. Don't just watch tutorials. Every concept, build something small. Buttons, forms, navbars, break things. Master modern CSS. Flexbox, grid, responsive design. If your site doesn't work on mobile, it doesn't work. Learn Git and GitHub. Version control isn't optional. Push code, break code, fix code, repeat. Pick one framework. Choose React. Learn components, props, states, and hooks. Ignore the rest for now. Build real projects. Clone real websites, dashboards, landing pages, and APIs. Build more projects rather than claiming certificates. Learn how the web actually works. Basics of performance, accessibility, and deployment. Your code should be fast and usable. Congratulations! You just learned how to become a front-end engineer. Build, ship, and learn in public. That's how front-end engineers are made.